Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock 4G network on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, locking to 4G ensures you stay connected to the fastest available mobile data network, which is essential for activities like streaming video, online gaming, or video conferencing. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the Google Play Store application. Okay, and then here we can install a 4G LTE app. And after the installation process is finished, then here we can open it. So you can select the suitable language. Then click apply. So here press continue. After that click next at the top corner. So after that you can bypass the purchase offer. Okay, and here press this settings and then select this option. Okay, after that to lock 4G network on your device, please tap the down arrow here and then you can choose LTE only. But if you want to restore the default network, you can set it back again like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to lock 4G network on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.